Your mindset affects your reality. What you believe affects your reality. What you think affects your reality. What you say affects your reality. You have to be sure that you are putting out the energy that you want returned in your life. That's because all energy is always returned. What you put out, you have to receive it back. These are universal principles. You can even apply these principles to success. What happens if you plant the seeds of success, abundance, prosperity? By universal law, you must reap the harvest of those seeds. It's really that simple. The problem is people allow life to get in the way. People let doubt and fear get in the way. These are the enemies of success. You must be able to play make-believe in your mind that you are already where you want to be. You are already successful. You are already rich. Sooner or later, your subconscious mind takes this make-believe as truth. So therefore, you start to feel and vibrate and emanate this rich, successful, prosperous vibration. This is exactly what I did when I first started my success journey. I had to brainwash myself. I had to convince myself I can do it, it's possible. And then I will fool myself into believing I'm rich already. I will carry myself in that light. I will walk as if I'm successful. I will talk as if I'm already successful. Matter of fact, I will tell relatives I'm rich. I'm rich. I will say this even before I was. I will speak these things even before I was. What happened is I slowly matched that vibration. I slowly merged into that reality where I was rich just by playing make-believe. This is the power of playing make-believe. The subconscious mind is very gullible. You can convince it of anything, but the thing is, when you successfully convince it, you start seeing more examples in the physical world. And since you change your energy and frequency, you can now receive ideas and thoughts that matches that energy. See, you can't receive wealth ideas if you are feeling poor. You can't receive ideas of prosperity if you're focused on lack. This is why here at Justin's Mindset Mastery, we master the mind. Because we know if we put ideas into this quantum computer, it's only a matter of time before we see them in the physical world. But you must be brave enough to do that. Despite evidence, despite a negative bank account, you must be able to do the work mentally, forming ideas in the subconscious through repetition. Repetition trains the subconscious mind. Too many of us are trained to think negative, trained to feel negative. So therefore, our reality looks mostly negative. So I dare you, from this day forward, to only put out the energy and frequency of success. Train yourself, brainwash yourself, convince yourself, because your reality depends on it. This is Justin from Justin's Mindset Mastery. I love you. You gotta know it. I really do love you. Do me a favor, like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to catch every video that we launch.